So I gotta show you guys real quick here how to get the e-brake cable replaced. This is what happened here with this car. In the center column here at the back, you got the cup holders. You pop that off. You see the bracket for the two e-cables. This is the one here that's seized. So I popped it off here. So what you do is you put your screwdriver in there, you pop that down, pop the other side off, and then you can pull it out from the bracket. Once that's done, you got to pull the seat off underneath the carpet. You see the bracket there. You see that line, that tube there? That tube belongs to the e-brake. So that's got to come out. So that's going to be pulling out from the outside. There's a plastic clip here. That's into the body at the top. So you just pull down on that. You got another clip here. This clip here goes into there, you pry out from behind there, and it goes into the caliper here. So you disconnect that, and then there's a 10mm bolt there. You can't do that. As you can see here, the tube was completely rotted out. That's an aluminum tube, so I guess the person got to that, but look, keep pulling on this. This puppy sees there. So, I mean, here, see that? It's not budging at all. So, in order to pass safety, both e-brakes need to work properly. I mean, you can see some damage there. It's kinked. Probably one of the problems, but anyways, so the replacement one, as you can see, the tube is all intact, right? And look at this. Nice. So just to show you, the new cable is installed. And look at that, works now finally. That didn't work before. Alright. Cable's installed all the way. It was really tough getting it all lined up underneath the floor there. Got the bracket back in, everything's good. It's solid, it's working now.